Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have seen plenty of videos on FaceNet. We have seen plenty of videos on face alignment. We have seen plenty of videos on MTCNN. We have seen on using MTCNN face detection, face recognition, and we have seen VGG Face 2 model with MTCNN for celebrity face recognition. We have seen MTCNN with attendance system. We have seen MTCNN with alignment. Today we are going to see also MTCNN and also face augment, in which you will be watching my image in different style. And today we will see different things, so it will take some more time to watch the video, so please watch till the end. First of all, we will go through the alignment, face alignment. So first of all, I will show you in that the face of Anil Kapoor. Here Anil Kapoor is little bit blend, so we will see face alignment what happens. Python 3 face. Yes. Yes, we can see here the alignment is very properly done. So this is the style of face alignment. So this part is over. Now we will see face augment. You will see my face in really different style. In that we will see first part Python 3 01. Yes, there is different style of me. Then second part in really different style. Yes, third part I will try, but hope so it works. Yes, it is working fine. It is working fine. Yes. Now we will go to the different part, that is face with alignment, MTCNN. We will see landmark. Sorry, I struggled a lot for MTCNN. Okay, they are in different directory. MTCNN. First of all, we will see landmark of the image. So Python 3. Landmark on the image. Yes, confidence. Yes, fine. Now we will going to perform landmark on the real-time video. Python 3. See what happens. Yes. Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect. Yes. Now we will see another part. Yes, in different style, in different style. Yes, 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 yes. So I successfully done with face alignment, using face alignment, then MTCNN with landmark, then in my image with different style and different image. I hope you like this video. Lot of things are covered in this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on TensorFlow, Keras, MTCNN, if possible fear, if possible deface, if celebrities and this thing, with Bollywood and Hollywood celebrities, with VGG face to model, and many more videos on attendance system and unsupervised learning, fruits and vegetable classification, image classification, ResNet. I've done plenty of videos on ResNet, and so latest update about machine learning, please watch my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.